Hi, this is Tim and I'm just testing out the GoPro type chest harness mount that I've made yesterday with my 3D printer, and this is the main chest plate here, and then it's just threaded through with 38mm nylon webbing, and there's no sewing involved. It's all just threaded through these adjustment buckles and doubled, and it's nicely adjustable. You can just slide these up and down, but they don't slide on their own. So around the back we've got a spreader for the shoulders, and then a centerpiece to carry the waist strap. And here is the GoPro type camera, and it's got a quick release clippy mount on it, and that just clips into there like that. There we go. And then you can adjust the camera for vertical, lock it off, and there we are recording. We would be if the camera was turned on. So there we go, and now I'll be able to record my next walk completely hands-free. Awesome.